So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone notifications just aren't going away. So maybe you have a specific application or specific platform out there that keeps sending you notifications, but none of those notifications are basically sticking. They're all staying and they're not able to be swiped away. Now, number one, the very first thing I'd recommend kind of doing here is to go through and change out your notification settings for that particular application. So what this basically means is you want to make your way over to your settings application just like this, and you want to scroll down until you find the notifications panel, which is right here. So tap right into notifications, and then this next page is going to come up. What you want to do next is scroll to the bottom, and you want to go ahead and find the particular application that's going to basically allow you to change your notification settings panels with. So find your application, tap on it, and if you just want to go and just disable the notifications entirely, just disable those notifications up there. And or you could also go through and change how the notifications are presented. Maybe you want them presented a certain way this way. You can also kind of change that out as well. Now another thing you can try doing too is to go through and try seeing if you can force restart your phone. So you can basically do here is to click the volume up button and the power button at the exact same time. And you are going to want to go through and basically slide a power off and essentially restart your phone. So go through, slide the power off, restart your phone, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. If that still doesn't work, you might want to try going through and restarting your notification center and clearing it. So click clear at the bottom, clear your notification center out, and that's another thing I recommend doing here too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.